In the previous class, we already discussed JDBC and fundamental of JDBC. In this class, we have to discuss the connection of JDBC and ODBC. In the previous class, we discussed JDBC or Java is a platform independent. कहते कि नहीं जाभा इज ए प्लाटफॉर्म इंडिपेंडेंट आमे प्रीवियस क्लास रे व्हाट इज प्लाटफॉर्म डिपेंडेंट कौन प्लाटफॉर्म इंडिपेंडेंट कौन ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन आई ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन यू. सो नेक्स्ट मेक इट योर फर्स्ट पॉइंट. जाभा इज ए प्लाटफॉर्म इंडिपेंडेंट. जाभा इज ए प्लाटफॉर्म इंडिपेंडेंट that makes it possible, please this is theory part, all of you write down all these notes. Okay, Java is a platform independent that makes it possible to write a Java program in single database application. मु आगुरी कही जाभा इज ए प्लाटफॉर्म इंडिपेंडेंट बिकॉज इट सपोर्ट्स ऑल द प्लाटफॉर्म. ऑल द प्लाटफॉर्म मीन्स यूनिक्स, लाइनक्स, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट विंडोज, ओके, एंड्रॉयड, all these platforms Java can run. In all these platforms Java can run. So what is the platform independent in Java makes it JDBC possible to write the Java program in single database application. Okay, our first point is Java is a platform independent that makes it possible to write a Java program in single database application. Okay, single database application कौन. So let us discuss all these programs or all the programs we have to write in Java, okay, will be stored in a single database application. Will be stored in a single database application. Will be stored in a single database application means what is the meaning of single database application? Because it can run on different platform. I already told you it can run on different platform. Different platform means Unix, Linux, Androids and others etc. Okay, so because it can run on different platform, for different platform they have or they can interact with the different managing system. Okay, what is Java will do or what is JDBC will do? JDBC makes it possible to write a Java program. Everything you have to write in Java, JDBC makes it into the single database application. Single database application means your application can run on different platform and interact with different management system. Okay, next JDBC is similar to ODBC. What is ODBC? ODBC is your open database connectivity. Open database connectivity. Okay. JDBC is a Java database connectivity and ODBC is a open database connectivity. Both are same but function wise और काम करिवार क्षमता हिसाब से से माने दी जन जाक डिफरेंट. ओके. JDBC इज सिमिलर टू ODBC. ताले यार काम कोन व्हिच इज यूज्ड टू accessing and managing the data from the database. ओके. JDBC रो काम कोन ये एक्सेस करियो डेटाबेस को और मैनेज करियो डेटाबेस को. एक्सेस मीन्स एवरीथिंग यू हैव टू स्टोर, एवरीथिंग यू हैव टू load, everything you have to insert, everything you have to update, everything you have to delete. All these functions will be done by the help of JDBC in Java program. Next, JDBC can run on Java program where as ODBC can run on any different language. Can run on any different language. JDBC can run on Java means JDBC supports Java. Okay. JDBC when a connection will be created, when a driver connection will be created, which one is JDBC driver, at that time it can execute the SQL statement available in the Java or available inside the Java program. So JDBC can run on Java program, whereas ODBC can run on any different languages. Any different languages. Let us go to the next point.